I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feet. What you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Dig it from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick-tock, turn it to a tick, boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where? I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Whoa. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud.
Alright, welcome in.
Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Happy Friday. Welcome in, welcome in. How we doing? What we got here today? What up, Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, B21? What up, Louis G? What's up, Daniel? Hey, I missed you last night, man. Damn, Daniel. What up, 3 Ants? What up, Michael? What's good, Big Max? Big Max in the house. What up, Wokey? Morning, Pablo. What up, Stevie Mac? What up, Ewan is in the building. What's good, what's good? What's up, Jamil? How we feeling, everyone? Welcome in, welcome in. Good to see you guys. Happy Friday. What's up, Rose? Yo. What's goody? How y'all feeling? Everybody good? What up? Music loud. Music is too loud. How about better? Is it better now? Better now? How about now? Even better now. What up, OGH? What up, Alexandros? What's good? How y'all feeling, man? Happy Friday. Welcome in. How about now? What do you know? Guys, you don't think I know the music is loud in the beginning? Huh? What up, Dropout Trader? Happy Friday. What up, Stevie Mac? What's good? What up, Mr. Lopez? Yo. All right. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Let's pop up Zoom here. Let's get the Zoomers in. Let's get the clubhouse
Recording in progress.
Let's stop the recording because we already got
Recording stopped.
There we go. Oh, Pablo's in Florida. All good, bro. All good. From West Palm, it's probably like a 3-hour ride. Yeah. Hey, if you leave now, you know, you can make it. All right, just give me 1 sec. Let me set up Zoom, and then we will rock and roll here today. All right, perfect. Daniel hit them sleep stops last night, eh? Damn, Daniel. I was shocked. I was shocked, Daniel. Okay, I think we are good. I think we're good here. Yeah, let's just pop this up. Let's invite everyone in. And then we will rock and roll here. Just give me one more sec. All right, we good. We good. Welcome in. Happy Friday, everyone. As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. How we feeling today? Give me one word. Give me one word to describe how you're feeling today. Talk to me. Talk to me. Let's see if we got motion today. Let's see what energy I want to put out today. Today is the meetup day. Ooh, SG80 said outside. Oh, I thought he said outside. I was about to be like, damn, that man's standing on business. Outstanding. I like it. What up, Magnus? Magnus feeling excellent. He's feeling excellent and positive. Disciplined, hopeful. All right. Awesome. Awesome. 7 of you. Great work. Great work. All right, let's go ahead and get the day started. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. It is October 25th. It is the meetup day. We are excited. We're looking forward to meeting everyone down in Tampa today. Really, really looking forward to it. Let me share my screen real quick. Let me share my sound for these guys. All right, Clubhouse, how we feeling today? Let's see who's got more motion. I think the Clubhouse got way more motion than YouTube here today. YouTube is... Yo, Travis, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Give me one sec. All right. Yeah, there we go. See, the Clubhouse got motion. That's why they're the Clubhouse. Clubhouse got motion. Magnificent. Holy. Magnificent. Well, damn. Okay. I like it. Yeah, happy birthday, Travis. Hope you're well, man. Missed you in London session last night, but, you know, you got to sleep in on your birthday. Got to sleep in on your birthday. What up, Jay Coop? All right, let's rock and roll here. Let's talk about it. Today is October 25th. Let's pray real quick, and then we will get the day started. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you. Lord, we thank you for another day to gather. Lord, I pray that the YouTube live stream gets some motion here today. Wake them up, Lord. They're sleepy individuals here today, Lord. Give them some motion. Give them some excitement. Lord, we thank you for this day. We ask that you would bless it, Lord, that you would go before us. You would bless our session, that you would make our path straight. We thank you for the promise in your word. And, Lord, we give you all the glory for blessing lives that come in and out of the stream today, Lord. We thank you for it. We give you the glory for victory in advance. And we praise you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Time to rock and roll. Let's get the party started here. It's NY Open is upon us here, so let's get going here. Let me get my tools, and let's do the thing. Let's do it. All right. Well, again, today is the 25th day of October. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient, and to be professionals here. We are in the tail end of the month. I think next week will be the last couple days of the month here. So closing the month strong, ladies and gentlemen, letting the playbook play out day after day, week after week, month after month, right? It was a rough week last week, 2 weeks ago, but here we are back on a 7-8 trade win streak, and that's how we do it. You know, that's how we do it. That's the probability game we play. So let's go ahead and take a look. 8:30 news here on the CAD. A little bit of 8:30 news on the US dollar here as well. A couple minor things, nothing too major here today. You'll also have some minor stuff here at 10 a.m. Eastern as well. So nothing too crazy. Our big red folder day was yesterday. We did make out well yesterday. Very profitable day. And now we'll see what happens here on this lovely Friday. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis and let's get to it. Damn, Travis. Man, you're older than me. Holy smokes. What you got planned for your birthday? George VDM is in the house. Hey, Mama's ribs were hitting last night. Mama's ribs were hitting. Yo, what's up, Neo? What's good, what's good? Ecom Dre, what's up, brother? All right, let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis here, and let's go ahead and see what we can do on this lovely Friday. I already took a trade in London session. Very nice trade there. Gold sells in London, and now let's see what New York has in store for us. So taking a look at the daily, let's do this fresh analysis. If you guys can like the stream, that would be awesome. I promise you it's not that much work. All you have to do is scroll down a little bit on the YouTube stream, and then you see that little thumbs up button. Just hit that dude, man. Just hit that dude for me, YouTube. Since you guys can't hit any of the keyboard numbers today or letters, just hit a like on the stream, all right? All right, what up, Gregski? Andrew, good morning, bro. Excuse me. Yeah, we took gold buys, my bad, not sells. All right, let's start this analysis here. So let's take a look at the daily. We know that we are kind of moving up here on the daily time frame over the last couple weeks. We did get a candle here closing without a wick, followed by a bearish closure, followed by a I don't care what closure just happened candle here on gold, right? So we were kind of seeing some signs of some hold up here, but eventually price just opened back up the next day on this candle here and just ripped up. Now that one ended up closing with no top wick as well. That's where we come down, you know, you get that rejection, a drive straight back down to support, and then here you have excuse me, a nice closure below the range, right? So bearish candle closure, closed below the range. You would expect that if this candle here climbed up to make a top wick and then broke the low, that price would continue driving down into that support level, right? But we never did do that. We never did drive down at all. We never even, actually we didn't even flip bearish once on yesterday's daily candle. We just pushed straight up, causing what we would like to see here as a fake out, right? So price looked like it was going to break back into the range. It did not do that. It broke back into the previous range, right? And that's where we stand, right? That's where yesterday's candle closed. You had a bullish closure back in the range here. So this is pretty much our daily range, right? Let me just adjust that here. So this is our daily range now. After that fake out, we are just sitting here. So we're going to start printing side by side here. Are you guys catching on to a theme, right? The way gold likes to trade, range, big move, range, big move, right? So now we're back in this range here. So we did close like midway through. We have created a bottom wick here though, so I am still pretty bullish here on gold, right? We could potentially flip up today and, you know, fill that wick and potentially retest resistance sitting right here, right? So we'll see if this candle's got what it takes to flip bullish and retest the highs here. If not, then this candle here may plan on closing back below the range, right? Meaning like this. And then next week, right, we look forward to potential sells coming down, right? Monday and Tuesday. So there's a few ways it can go. So we'll see. We've got, how much time we got here? We got, I don't know, 15 hours left on this candle. So let's see where we're at, you know, come the end of the day. But all in all, we are pretty bearish on the 4-hour time frame. Now, could these bearish candles here just represent the daily candle making its bottom wick, right? Big possibility. There's another support right here. So could we potentially get a fake out on this 4-hour candle for price to continue moving up? This would make total sense. when it comes to that daily time frame moving up as well. If you get a closure above that range, you should see you know, a nice little move here on gold today. So all in all, I am pretty bullish based off the day. Until we really close bullish here on the 4 hour though, we have to be you know, aware that at any point price can continue to move down. Okay, let me just do something here. All right, yeah, it's a long, this is the loud song. This is the loud song. Don't let it distract you. I'm trying to see what will distract you and what won't distract you here today. All right, so anyway, so 4 hours trying to work on a bullish closure here. So we'll see if we get that closure. Right now, that's kind of like what we would anticipate. And if this does happen, again, a pop back up into the top of the range would be lovely, right? So it is NY open. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got happening here on the 1 hour chart. So it looks like we have a support level here. We have some sort of resistance here. We also have this range right there. So we have that range there. We'll see what happens. We'll see how we react to this zone. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Look, we've already rejected it once here. So we've already rejected that zone one time. We'll see what happens. I think we're good to hang out on the 30-minute time frame here. So this will probably be like a no trade range for me for the most part. Let's take a look at it. 50 pips. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I would say range 2 sells probably back below here, but if we do get a new closure above, I do like the continued move up, right? But we do need a closure above now that we have recently just closed back below here. So let's see how this candle closes in about 15 minutes, and then we can kind of take things from there. So I do like buys above here. We do need a closure, and if we do get that, then there may be some longs taking place. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. 70 pip range to the top side. Price is kind of in a funky position right now. There's really no supports outside of this guy right here, but look, there could be sells before that. So we'll see what happens. Maybe if we get a closure back below 27.35 here, then we can clean this range up. It's about a 50 pip range to the downside. It's about a 60, 75 pip range to the top side. And yeah, that is that's it. That's it. We closed bullish, right back above the range, so I wouldn't really want to touch that. And when it comes to sells off the 15, I don't want to take the buys off the 30 yet, because we do need a closure back above. So there's no trade here just yet for me. I'm gonna wait for this closure and see what we got going on. So that is the day for me today. Pretty clean ranges. Just gotta sit tight and wait for the best move here. Cool. Sweet. All right, let's make this purple. Let's clone it. And let's sit back, relax, and wait for this closure. Actions over distractions. Some of you guys, yeah, actions over distractions. That's right. Please increase the volume now. Holy. Man, what do I look like, man? What do I look like up here? You want me to dance too? It's like, you know, when someone's hanging a picture up for you, you're like, no, a little bit over to the left. Yeah, a little bit down. All right, perfect height. Now a little bit over to the right there, right. Come on, man. Come on. Oh man, what up, Pia Magnifico? What's goody? Alexandros in the house. What's up, brother? What's up? Do I think buy or sell? Holy. Actually, just because Chala's here, I'm going to give you a special holy. Man. Gotta love the internet. Huh? Oh, Clubhouse? W. Chala, how we feeling, brother? I was really hoping to see you today, man. Chat, you guys really dropped the ball on Chala here, man. I was supposed to fly him out for this event today. All we needed was 500 likes on a stream like 2 weeks ago. Damn. What playlist do I listen to? I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link. Here you go. There you go. That's your ultimate trading soundtrack. Took a nice sell last night in Asian. Oh, got stopped by 2 pips. Send it. I'll take a look at it, brother. What's up, DJ Scratches? DJ Scratches. What's up, Eric P? What up, what up, what up? That's not fair, man. That's really not fair. Chala had a shot. Yeah, 2 pips. It happens, bro. It happens. It's happened to me many times. Mr. Kraft is in the building. TK is in the house. What up, TK? How'd you sleep, bro? Yo, TK, we ate good last night, man. It was certainly time to eat last night. Certainly. Sheesh. This place was no joke. No joke. Damn. What up, Shelly? Good morning. Yo, this place last night was wild. Wild. Oh, Ecom Dre, must be nice, man. Must be nice. I gotta get me in one of those things pretty soon. We grinding, man. We hustling. J Mac, how are you, brother? Good to see you. Welcome in. Welcome in. Good morning, Jora. Is it Jora or Yora? Yora. Nah. If we have 560 viewers and 32 likes, I'm out. I'm definitely out. Let me take a look at this. I am definitely out. Hold on, I gotta see this with my own eyes. Clubhouse, it might just be me and you guys today. Oh, 166. All right. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Whew, I was gonna say 33. Holy. Yeah, what's up, Ace? Good to see you too, my friend. Good to see you. Everyone starts liking. What do I think about Bitcoin? I think Bitcoin's going to 100K at some point in 2025. J Coop, the Coop Master. What's up, Energy? What up, YOLO Trader? What's good? Beautiful trade there in London. Let's take a look at it. So I took this position here in London session. It was a 1 hour pack runner. 30-minute celery also was in there. Just straight to our TP. Yeah, beautiful move there. It's a buy gold day. It might be gold to new all-time highs. What do you think? What do you think on this lovely Friday? Yeah, I'm pretty bullish on crypto. Yo, let's go. The London trade, the London sesh trade was right here. See that 30-minute celery? Bam. This candle right here. Break of the highs. Drove up. Actually, I was already in this trade. So we came down, we broke all the lows. We came up, we flipped right here. That was my entry. Went into a little bit of drawdown. Next candle opened up, fired off. Yeah. Yo, Rafi in the house. What up, Rafi? What up, Sai? What's good, what's good? What's good, what's good? Energy, how was your trip? How'd your trip go? Looked like some of the losses were late night trading. London sesh, yeah, we took. I think more recently, last 2 weeks ago. Yeah, we got burned in London like 3 times. We got burnt. How come I took the trade? I took the trade because we were bullish on the day. The 4 hour had closed like this, right? So previous 4 hour close without a bottom wick. The next one closed like doji, right? Kind of rejecting this overall wick here and this zone to the left. So this candle that came down made a small low, and then once I was already in by the time it broke the high, but what I was expecting here last night was pre-London to potentially, as this candle opened up, to break the high and then just continue ripping up, right? So that's what I was expecting. So I'm actually glad I closed full when I did, because we actually did reject right there. So pretty good closure. And then look, this 4 hour candle just ripped down. I didn't really like sells after that buy position. They just didn't make sense. It was very choppy on the way down. So I just waited, right? Waited for NY sesh. And yeah, here we are. Yeah, but anyway, so the 4 hour, those are my thoughts on the 4 hour. The 1 hour here was, where was it? Right here, right? So we had just formed support on the 1 hour. Candle opens up, drives down, breaks the lows, and then begins to flip bullish in the second half of the 1 hour candle, which is always a good sign, right? On top of that, you also had this 30-minute celery play looking good. And yeah, everything lined up for us. Yeah, at this point, we were already in a trade, and then boom, no wick, and just pushed up, and we closed like right up there. Yeah, good trade. Good trade, good trade. Rich Rising, TTE family, what up, what up? Welcome in. Welcome in. What up, AV Mike? Man, I'm excited for the meetup today. I'm excited to meet you guys, everyone coming in. We've had people coming in over the last couple days, hanging out, doing some fun stuff. Today we all get a chance to meet up and have a good time later. It's going to be dope. It's going to be dope. Everyone should have their emails already if you guys RSVP'd. If you didn't RSVP and you plan on coming, please message either myself or TK as soon as possible so we can get you what you need. Rafi, how we feeling, brother? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Did Green swing the glow? Yo, Green was crushing. Yo, Green and TK both did very good. They both did very good on their first day out. OGH in the building. Tiny news? Yeah, we got some tiny news. Yep. Oh, Coach Carter, thank you, man. Yeah, I think I had like, I don't know. I had no, the weather dropped at nighttime the other day, and I don't think I was prepared for it. I wasn't prepared. I'm gonna mix it up though. Little lemon, little ginger. We'll get it right. Green swinging on the green. Yo, green was doing some work on the green, man. Not gonna lie. Not bad for his first time out. Seriously. Crushed it. Yeah, TK, share the video. TK got up close on green, getting himself out of a bunker there yesterday. Looked like a grenade went off in the video. Eight figgies. Yeah, we could take a look at NAS here too. Let's do a fresh top down on NQ, and let's see what we got here. So we did close bullish yesterday, so that's nice. We actually did a fake out on both NAS and gold. Let's just mark this off here, right? So we did this little fake out here on the NASDAQ. We ended up closing bullish back in the range. Therefore, we do have a high chance of retesting that resistance up top there. Now, if we look left at current price, right, we do see that there's some sort of just like resistance here, right? So we do want to make sure we keep take that into consideration. Let's see what that looks like on the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart is moving up. We do have like a mini support here, and then yeah, we still have room to go. So we certainly have room to move up here. Look at every time we were in this range, we kind of moved up, rejected off, moved up, closed below, or above, moved up. So very high chance we can kind of move up into these ranges here today, right? Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour has a new support here. You also have somewhat of a resistance right there. So it looks like we are tapping into that zone. I think the buys were good, but they're not good right now, right? That was the buy. So now you just gotta sit back and wait. Let's mark this off on the 30-minute. We got support, we got resistance, we've got decently clean traffic. I think if we get a little bit of a pullback, that's going to make much better sense, right? Just because we have a bunch of resistance in this area here. I think if we get like a pullback, little fake out, then price looks pretty good to continue up. Yeah, maybe even a fake out down here. So what I would look for is like fake outs for buys right down here. So if we can get a nice little pullback, then if support formed, right, and then we could take more buys targeting that wick fill. Cool. Yeah, that's it. That's all. All right, we got I think 8:30, right? We closed. Let's take a look at what we got. All right, so we did get a closure here, 8:30 closure. Damn, that happened quickly. 1 minute, we made a lower wick, broke the highs. Interesting, interesting. Did I miss a trade? Nope, no one ever misses trades, ever. There will be another one coming, trust me. But I did not take a trade here in NY session. It was in London session. London. What's up, K Vela? K Vela? What's good? What's good? Nice to see you. What'd you guys do here today in New York Sesh? Anyone take any trades? Who's calling a trade for me today? YouTube chat. Who's calling a trade for me? It's opposite day. Talk to me. Where's Ben? Oh yeah, Ben. My man. My man Ben, that's right. Hey, them interviewers, you know what I mean? They get they want the juice. They want the juice, but you can't give it to them sometimes. You just got to let them sit there unanswered. Take buys, take profit, nice. Pull it down and retire. I already retired. I'm already retired, brother. I'm living the dream. I retired back in 2019. I haven't worked a job since. Now that is a W. How come I don't like the buys? It's not that I don't like them. I'm just a little late to them. So I see a 15-minute resistance here. I want to make sure I'm considering that. Yeah, because I'm already late. So my entry should have been maybe 7 pips ago. 12 pips ago. Yeah, so we'll see how we do right here. Got a GJ position. Okay, nice, nice. It's touching a major resistance zone. Should I close or continue? Send me a pic, brother. Send me a pic in the clubhouse. I'll take a look. Unfortunately, I can't see GJ on this chart here. In the buys, nice, nice, nice. Oh, no way. W. 7 months here, eh? Oh, wow. How did I not notice you? I think I've noticed your name before. I've seen your name. Oh, nice. 5-minute no top wick. Oh yeah. Took the fade sell at 7:45. All right, tap 4-hour resistance. 15 I pushed. 7:45. That must have been right here. Oh, nice, dude. Nice trade. W. Oh, TK's dropping videos. Where at? Where at, TK? Where at? So I think gold could reach 2,800 before the month's end. Well, today's Friday, so you got 26, 27. We come back on 28. And then we have, what, 31 days? Yeah, you never know. Never know. You never know. 2,800 is... on Oanda, might be a little closer than here, but that'd be a pretty big move. But not that big. Not that big for gold. 600 pips from current price. Oh, you said I gotta drop it. Where are you dropping these things? TK in the Discord? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Been on the streams when you had around 1K subs. Damn. Oh man, Francis, let's go. Mustafa. TT meetup once or twice a year? Yeah, I don't see why not. Maybe we do one overseas and then one in the US. Yo, what's up, Lewis? What's good? Oh, Ricky's done for the day. New York hasn't even started. Where, yeah, I'll probably, if I trade anything today, it'll be pretty low. I'm already up like 3,300 for today across all accounts. So nothing to force here today. Can you give me a 25K account? I'm from India. I would, but top one supposedly isn't in India. So unfortunately, I can't. TK's here. Yo, what up, Yanosh? Struggling to hold my winners. Any advice? Yeah, so let's say so a lot of people, maybe they close at 10 pips when, like, let's say, you know, there was a 20 pip TP. So what you could start doing is, if you're not comfortable holding the full position, begin to close partials. So close 90%, let a runner go. Once you get a little bit more comfortable, close 80%, let the runner go to full TP, right? Eventually you'll get down to 50%, right? And you'll let your runners go. And then eventually, as you begin to see runners run over and over and over again, you're going to catch on to the different times when it runs and when it doesn't run. And then you're going to be able to make adjustments and say, like, hey, at 9:30, and this is why tracking your data is so important, because you're going to look at it and you're going to say, well, you know, my trades never run in London session. They never run in Asian session. The only time they ever really run is when I take trades around 9:30 in New York Open. So now you know, hey, in New York Open, it's going to be best for me to hold trades longer. Sometimes holding trades to full TP isn't as valuable and productive as you think, right? Because we did a whole test on that for 2.5 months to see, hey, do we have better success holding positions longer, or do we have better success closing the bulk of our positions at our partial TPs? And what did we find out? We found out through the data that we were more profitable when we closed partials like 80% at our partial TPs, right? Other than that, we would just hit break even a little bit more. And so sometimes it's not as productive as you think, but you won't know that unless you begin to take a look at your data. So you got to track your data really well and see what's giving you the bigger moves and what's, you know, not. TP1's always the play. Facts. I personally like closing 80% at typically the first TP, but sometimes, you know, I let it run. At 9:30, my data states that we run. So typically 9:30 trades, I'll tend to hold a little longer. The rest of them, I'll make sure to close partials. Trade log updated. Yeah, the log is, but the overlay isn't. So let me add something to the overlay. Took 1 win here in London, making it 22 wins and 8 losses here on the month. 309th win with you all. W. And 196th win of the year. Let's do it. Almost 200 wins here with 50 losses on the year. Not bad, not bad. NASDAQ trying to pump. Let's take a look. Yeah, gold, man, literally went down, made a bottom wick, broke the highs all in the first minute. So we were too busy looking at NASDAQ right there, or at least I was. The XL, yeah, the XL is updated. Yep. How many dollars do I risk per trade? It all depends. It all depends which account I'm trading, which trade I'm looking at. But yeah, typically like $500 to $1,000. On my own personal capital, like 500 to 1,000. Same thing on this Top Step account. Daniel, how's the week going, man? Can I show the trade I took in London? Yeah, the London trade was right here. Right here. So is this buy position right here? It was a 30-minute celery. It was a 1 hour. Where'd the 1 hour go? Right here. See how we broke the lows there on the 1 hour? Just kept my buy stop right here. Straight to target. Also had a 30-minute celery. That was a part of that, which is right there. Boom. And then the 15, I wasn't really looking at the 15 at all for that trade. This trade was very, 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 very highly based off the 1 hour trade, which we haven't had a trade based off the 1 hour in a little bit since... Oh, London. Yeah, London. Last one was London. But before that, I think it was the beginning of the month there, yeah. All right. TK needs to be TK? Where is TK? I'm up 715. Nice, Daniel. W, brother. Let's go. W, my man. Let's get it. Travis, how you doing, man? What's the plan for today? What's the birthday plans looking like? Did we take any trades in pre-New York? Nope. No trades in pre-New York. Just one in London. That's it. I think Johnny Gems took a trade in Asian, right? John called some nice trade in Asian. He also called another nice trade later on in the New York session yesterday, which was good. Wow. Look at this. Moving up here. We really missed the party here, or I did. Yeah, John's hitting, man. John's on another level. right now. I could tell. I could just tell it in his trading. I look at his trades, I could just see it. Trying out this Argentinian steakhouse near me. Oh, nice. Sounds good. Yeah, last night we hit the all-you-can-eat steakhouse. Oh my God. Where's C Melly? Is C Melly here? C Melly, what was the name of that place? Santos. The name of the restaurant was just like someone's like, it was like 3 first names. What was the name of that joint again? There's C Melly. What resistance point for NASDAQ? Oh yeah, let's take a look. So I think on the 15 there was a little bit of a resistance there too. 15, oh no, I'm sorry, 30-minute time frame. So there's a little bit of a 30-minute resistance right here. So we'll see how we react to it. But all in all, filled that range very nicely. A lot of volume here, dumping into the market. Was that in South Tampa? Yes. Yes, it was. C Melly was out here closing deals at dinner last night, man. Closing deals at the dinner table. I was in the presence of the big ballers last night, you know? I'm just a little fish in the sea. What up, big blessings? The bookie. Beautiful move up here on gold. Wow. Yeah, 1 hour looked good. Yeah, my bad. I was a little late to the party here. Who took it? Who didn't need me to say, hey everyone, gold buys look really, really good here. Press buy. Who didn't need me? Hopefully it's all of you. Do I know any good brokers to trade silver? Not really. Travis might know a little. Travis trades silver a little bit more than me. I've never traded silver. You guys took it, closed at 15 resistance. Beautiful, beautiful. How about you two? Got in at 7 a.m. Nice. 7 a.m. was probably, yeah, right here. Beautiful. There we go. Took it. Guys are out. Nice. W. Beautiful move. $32 pips. Nice, Billy. Let's go. Took partials, nice. Stops at B, letting it run. Beautiful. Yeah, we could reject here now. So if anyone does want to take partials, I mean, this is the spot right here. Yeah, that 15 resistance was questionable there. So you guys closed right here. Yeah, good idea. Not a bad idea. Like Billy O'Neill said. TP1 all day. What do I trade with? What do you mean? Oh, let's take a look. Traders next door. Yeah, nice. Lovely, lovely. What time frame is that? 1 hour? Oh, nice, dude. Nice. That's that 7 a.m. move that some of you guys are in. 100 pips. Whoa. Wow. Site. Oh, this is going to be, so usually I would go on to tradingview.com. That's the site in the app. So that's where I'll get analysis from. This is a Top Steps platform here, so that's what I'm trading on today. But my other accounts are set up on TradeOvate and Trade Locker with Top One. So you got Trade Locker, TradingView, TradeOvate, Top Step. There's a bunch of different ones you can tap into. Melly hitting deals at the dinner table. It's regular, right? See, Melly? It's just regular. It's just regular. Oh, Mark Douglas's wife, Paula. I don't think I've ever heard her. What's her name? Paula? Paula Webb? Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever heard her. I know she was very involved with Mark Douglas. Paula T. Webb. Paula T. Webb. If you guys are not able to handle losses in a professional and proper manner, I would highly recommend that you spend some of your weekend listening to this man right here. This guy will get you right. Any Quakers in the house, this is the man you want to watch. This man is he's the solution for quaking. Look at them putting these cool thumbnails on Mark Douglas now. Wow. I would highly recommend you take advantage of this guy. His free YouTube videos. This dude's good too. Yeah. Mark Douglas book? Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I've only read Trading in the Zone. I wanted to read The Disciplined Trader, but I've never read that one. Has anyone read The Disciplined Trader? What up, Cannon? What's good, what's good? OGH, you just, dude, you literally just read my mind. Just read my mind. I think we are going to have to postpone tomorrow's webinar here because I'm actually gonna be creating a lot of content for the clubhouse. So tomorrow I'm gonna be renting out like a podcast studio. So I'm gonna rent out a podcast studio for about 4 hours. I'm gonna be banging out some exclusive content for the clubhouse. I'm also going to be, creating some content for YouTube. So I think we postponed the Webby and then we schedule for next week. Yeah, next week we're going to talk all about the physical habits. We're going to talk about what my mentor would say. We're going to talk about getting core, which means I want to give you guys a set of, well, first really the mentality and the mindset, but then a set of habits that not only will make you a good trader, but we're talking about just personal growth and development. So the last 2 weeks we went over somewhat of the spiritual laws of success, right? Some of the unseen things when it comes to dreams and goals and all that good stuff. And this next one we will dive into the physical, right? Because most people, they don't understand that life is like there's two components, right? You have the spiritual realm and the physical realm. And when it comes to success, it's no different. So most people are only focused on the spiritual realm, right? Or I'm sorry, the physical realm. And they're not even that focused on that, right? But never mind when you put these spiritual laws to success together, and then you add the physical component, you can't be stopped. You can't be stopped after that. It doesn't matter. You guys ever heard, what door God opens, no man can shut? That's how it is, man. When you start to take action on the spiritual laws here, whether it's trading, whether it's like, look what C. Melly said, right? I just manifested the life I wanted, right? Last night had nothing to do with trading, right? It was just a lifestyle thing. So that's what we talked about in the last 2 weeks. But this week we're going to talk more, or next week we'll talk more about the physical parts of success. All right, yeah, so if you guys are in gold buys, I'd close partials if I were you. If you're planning on closing partials anywhere, it'd be right here. Kindly find a way to increase the volume. Is the volume not good? I feel like every time I watch the live stream, the volume is fine. All right, maybe that's a little bit better. Yes, I love that. Yeah, Revelations 3:8. Opening a door that no one can shut. That's it. We just got to trust in the Lord. I'm going to have to update my microphone. This Shure mic is not doing the job here. Your volume's actually always low. Yo, anytime I see the word actually now, I just think of Alea. You guys have kids? You know when they start to talk, they put words in sentences that word's not supposed to really be in? Yo, Alea uses the word actually. That's her new word. Actually. Actually. It's so funny. It's so cute. You like the names I give the children? Are they common in the US? I'm not too sure, man. I'm not too sure. Alea, I haven't really heard that much. Maverick, I haven't heard that much. And Kingston, Kingman, definitely never heard Kingman, but yeah, I don't think they're too popular. I'm gonna order a brand new microphone this weekend just for the TT family. How about that? Actually, when I ordered this mic, I thought it was a different mic, but apparently I ordered the wrong one. When am I coming to India? Next year. Hey, we were talking about that in the meetup last night. Oh, we're coming next year, right, C Melly? Right, TK? We're coming next year. Oh man. Why do I count pips? Do I have a pip goal? I count pips because I want to count the distance that my trades have gone. So that's pretty much the only reason I count pips. I want to count the distance. I'm a big volume hunter when it comes to trading. So I want to count most of the trades that I take. They're going to be on bigger candles. So I want to keep track of how many pips they are. And I don't have any goal for the week in terms of pips. No. Nope. I pretty much have no goals when it comes to the actual outcome of the trading week by week. I don't like to set goals. I don't like to set weekly goals or daily goals. I like to have some sort of a goal in mind, but I'm not really striving for that. So I just want to take what the market will give me on a day-to-day basis, and hopefully if I trade that well enough, then I'll kind of come out and I'll have some sort of a goal out there, right? Like I don't know, $2,000 a week. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, I really have no goals. I don't have any goals when it comes to the day-to-day in the charts. I have goals in life, but I don't have really any, you know, I need 50 pips today, or I want 100 pips today, or anything like that. Swing by Pakistan. Hey, if I'm coming to Pakistan and India, TK's coming with me. Count pips and RR. Yeah, I've been counting RR lately. Hey, you guys would be proud of me, man. Especially all the people that were watching us last year and maybe stopped. They would be so proud of our RR. I think we averaged the last like two or 3 months 1.72 R on our trades. That was our average. So that was lovely. That was a big booster for me this year. That was one of the big improvements I made in my trading this year, was the RR, right? Remember last year? Who remembers one of the last webinars of last year where we really started putting together the idea of not only having a high win rate, right, but also being able to work on that RR, right? We started focusing on that last year. I think last year I was like literally like 0.5 R, right, or 1 R. That was my best. So this year we're averaging out like 1.7 R, which is good. Yeah, a couple improvements this year. RR, execution. We also improved on the impulse trades, and to me, I mean, that was a great year. You know, I know the year's still got a couple months left on it, but you should be improving every year, right? You shouldn't be doing the same things last year that you were doing this year. That means you're not changing, you're not growing. There's no adjusting. There's no getting better there. So every year you want to focus on a few things. My big focus this year was impulse trades, impulse, and RR. And I think we did a hell of a job this year. I think we did a hell of a job. Little improvements year by year turn you into a professional trader over a couple years. But me personally, I'll still take 1 R trades all day, every day, because the win rate's so high, right? Because the win rate's like 80%. So as long as the win rate is high, then I don't mind 1 R, right? Now 2 R is better than 1 R, right? But I still go for 1 R when it's available. If the 2 R is there, I'll sit on it. But as long as that win rate stays where it is, which it's been able to do that over the last 3 years. I think we're golden, right? The big question this year was, can we get RR and win rate working for us? And I think we did that. Well, I think we could still do better, but I think we're on a good path here for improvement. By the way, I'm not your guru. I am just another trader trading, right? You're going to see me make mistakes. You're going to see me make adjustments, improvements, keep it real with you guys, be transparent. I'm here to save you from the social media gimmick. I'm here to save you from it. I'm here to show you that you don't need a Lamborghini to be successful. You don't need a Rolex. You don't need all these crazy things that you think. All you probably need is just to replace your income, and you'll be successful, right? Successful is just living life on your own terms, and chances are, if you make 5K a month, right, and you just replace that 5K, you just bought back your life. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Can you believe you can buy your life back? Because if you believe it, you'll do it. If you don't believe it, you'll never get it done. What's your average income, right? What's your income? Let's just say it's 3K, right? Or let's just go in the middle. It's 4K. Do you really need 4K a day when you've never made over 4K in a month? I mean, come on, right? So what about just replacing that? Forget about the Lambos and the Ferraris and the mega yachts and the mansions and the watches and all this other stuff for now. Leave that over here. How about we just focus on getting you to where you want to be financially, right? And getting you free and helping you buy your life back. When you buy your life back, what do? You buy 9 hours a day back, right? Most of you guys have full-time jobs. You work 8 or 9 hours a day, right? How about just buying your 9 hours back, right? How about we forget about the Bugatti for a minute? Right? You never made over 4 G's in a month. I don't think we need to be focused on a Bugatti, right? How about we just focus on replacing your income, right? Replace that income. Then you have time to think about leveling up your life, right? To be able to get all these other liabilities and fancy stuff that you think you want so bad. You think you want them. Who told you that? You guys ever just get in someone else's dream? Like you go watch Q Banks and you go, man, I want a Ferrari. It's like, get out of Q's dream, get in your own dream. You don't want a Ferrari. You just want it because he got it. Right? So figure out what you want. And a lot of times it doesn't have to be much in order to live a really, really good, healthy lifestyle. Amazing, naughty gamer. Amazing, amazing. That's what I'm here to do. I've been chosen to do that. So it's lovely to hear it. Yeah. Settle down here, gang. Settle down, really. I know a lot of you guys, you've probably kind of just I hate to say don't think big, you know? Like I want people to think big. I want you to go, dream of the highest achievements in life, but you got to start somewhere, right? So just like we talked about in the webinar, like my mentor would say, Nick, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, so you're going to have these bigger goals, right? You're going to have big goals, but you have to break these big goals down into small goals, right? And what happens is if you do these small goals on a daily basis, then over time, right, they will produce the bigger goal. You have to realize that. Most people, they have these big goals. Big goals. Oh, man. They got these big goals here, right? And they don't want to do the day-to-day, right? They don't want to do the small day-to-day stuff that gets them to the overall bigger goal. So they never get there, right? They never make any movement on or any progression in life because they're too busy just thinking about the big goal to actually come down and here, do the small stuff, right? I'm deleting this YouTube. I'm deleting the stream today. 5K a month. Yeah. Or hey, I just use 5K. Put 3K. Put 2K. Put whatever you know, heart so desires, right? Whatever is gonna help you in life. In the beginning, my goal was 5K, right? My goal as an entrepreneur, my goal as an entrepreneur was 5K, right? A month. Now my goals are different, right? My goals are 50K a month now, right? So I have different goals, but that's because I've done the small steps for years, right? To where my income went from 5K a month to 10K to 15K to, you know, 20K to 30K, right? To 40K, right? And now my goal is 50, right? So I want to see 50K months, but you got to start somewhere, right? You got to start somewhere. So don't shoot for 50K right out the gate, right? AKA don't shoot for the Lambo right out the gate. Don't shoot for the Rolex, right? Focus on what's going to actually help you currently, right? And if that's 4K, it's 4K. If it's 2K, it's 2K. It is what it is, right? You just got to fit your needs. This is a very slept on topic. Trust me. Trust me. People be sleeping on the mundane, on the daily disciplines. Most people think success is this one big thing, right? You just do it and then bam, you're successful. It's not it. Trust me. 50K account, 8%, bye-bye, shitty job. There you go. Exactly. That's it. See, all you have to do is make enough money. You know, these are things I learned about retirement and freedom, right? What does it take to retire? Let me ask you guys a question. Do you think it takes time, aka years, right? Or do you think it takes money to retire? Time or money? Age or money? Most people thought it actually took age. Most people thought they actually had to retire at blah, blah, blah. 60, 50, 70. I think the retirement in America today is what, 65? 60, something like that. So it doesn't take that, right? It doesn't take that. How's the one guy who's, I don't know, 67 years old retiring, but then I have a friend or I have a brother who retired at 19 or 18 or whatever the heck it was. What's the difference? If it was time and age, this person here should just be getting started, but they're not, right? They're free, right? How come I have friends at 24 years old, 23 years old, 25 years old that haven't had a job in a couple years? Because it's not about the time or the age. It's about the chick-ching, right? Money talks. So you don't need to work for 70 years in order to retire. You need to make more money, right? And if you can make exactly what you're making at your current job here or in some sort of other business, then boom. Do I recommend trading a personal account on LLC? Yeah, if you're profitable, if you can get the LLC, that's going to be much better. Yep, I love that, Dan. I love that. Sometimes that's not, so he said success is when you can sleep easy knowing that the job is done or it's done well, right? So here's the thing too, right? Who's more successful according to that, right? So person A, person B, right? Person A makes, I don't know, 2 million a year, right? Person B makes 200K a year. Major difference. Person A is worried all night long. They're worried about their business. They're worried about their relationships. They're worried about their friend circle, who's cheating them, who's kind of going behind their back, right? And then you got this guy who earns 200K a year, and he has no worries at night. He sleeps extremely well. Maybe he can't go out and buy everything that Mr. A can buy, but who's more successful according to that? The man with 2 million or the man with 200K? And let's just put 100K. How about we put 70K? How about that? Who's more successful? Who would you rather be? Worried, depressed, anxious, most likely addicted to alcohol and drugs, or this person here who sleeps well, does what they are called to do. Maybe they don't make as much, but they're free, right? This man has time and money. Time and money. This guy's got to work all day long to make this 2 mil. Who's in a better position? I would much rather be Mr. B here. I'll take 70K a year over 2 million a year all day, as long as I could be a free man. So if all you have is money, you don't have much at all. Eat steak. Eat steak and touch grass. All right, we got 9:30 here on the next 15-minute candle. So we may have an opportunity for us to go long again here on gold in just a little bit. How do you figure out the day-to-day goals? I work full-time, so it takes up about 7-8 hours a day. So first you have to really know what the big goal is. So once you identify what the big goal is, now you need to really track back and see what is required of me on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis to hit that big goal. And then you have to focus on those activities. You have to create what I like to call the non-negotiables, right? And in those non-negotiables, you got to be disciplined. You got to be very strict with yourself and hard on yourself, and make sure you get those done. They should be like a handful, maybe a handful. Keep them light. You rather make 2 mil for a few years, even with all that anxiety and depression and addiction? Then what happens? Then you retire, and then all of a sudden you become a degenerate. A lot of empty mansions. There's a lot of empty mansions out there, right? Because people are so busy working that they can't live in it. Johnny Tsunami. Where is he? Let's see if he texts me yet. Nope, no text yet. What was hard for me a year ago is easy now. Yep, that's right. That's right. What are some non-negotiables I have? So some of my non-negotiables right now are to work out, to read at least 10 pages of a good book every day, listen to a podcast, make sure my morning routine's dialed in, drink a gallon of water, eat clean, and compliment 3 people every day. Those are my simple non-negotiables currently. So simple. So simple you'd walk right by it. Right? But that's going to give me the personal growth and development that I want to get to. That's going to give me the physical growth and development I want to get to. And I just love people. So I like complimenting people because it continues to get me to stretch myself, go out of my comfort zone, talk with people. And it's just a really, really good habit to get in because life is a mirror of what you put out, right? So if you're always complimenting others and always kind of lifting others up, then you will also be complimented and lifted up. Simple stuff. Workouts, eat clean, and personally grow. Yeah, and my non-negotiables have changed, you know, over the years. They still change. They'll change quarter by quarter sometimes, right? Sometimes I'll shift and move things around. It just depends on what I'm looking to do. W. Figure out what you want, build a plan. Love it. Love it, love it. Yeah, you guys, if you're not in the clubhouse, I would highly recommend joining and watching those last couple webinars. So we talked all about my non-negotiables, my goals, how I set goals, how I basically turn them into reality, and how I make adjustments, right, through life, because you're gonna have seasons in life where you're gonna have different non-negotiables. You're gonna have different habits, right, that you're gonna have to add into or subtract from your daily performance. So it's all about where you're at in life, what season you're in, and what you're really after. Fresh top down? Yeah, we could do a fresh analysis here. Let's do a fresh top down analysis on gold so we can take a look at where we are at. So keep in mind the daily is very bullish, right? We did kind of close bullish yesterday. There was a bit of a fake out that went down right here, right? According to the ranges that we were using, you had a fake out here. Price did close bullish back in the range. This current candle has clearly made a bottom wick at this point, right? And now if it flips bullish, I think we could retest the highs and have a pretty decent day here out of gold. So let's take a look at the 4 hour now, because the 4 hour here is closing about 34 minutes. So it looks like we're trying to create support here. We came right up to the highs. I don't know if we broke them or yeah, I think we broke the highs there on the 4 hour. 1 hour is coming back up, so we're still hanging out below this resistance here, right? But let's see what we're coming down to this overall support, right? This previous support, we've rejected it. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. Same thing on the 30. 15 is trying to create some sort of support at this point, and that's pretty much what we're looking like. So 15 still may come down towards 36 here, but we will see. We're going to get a closure in about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah. So if you find yourself cheating your goals, what that's going to produce is it's going to produce a lack of confidence. So you don't want to lack confidence, right? Especially if you're trying to become a successful individual, you're going to need that confidence. So what you want to do is you want to just level out the ground, right? Forget about what happened before. Forget about you not doing this or doing that. Reset, my friend. Make some small, very, very, very attainable goals, like little goals that you can have no issue accomplishing in a day. Or like make your bed, brush your teeth, write down 4 things you're grateful for. Something very small that can start to build your self-confidence up. And then as you do that, right, as you make promises to yourself, you keep those promises. That's going to boost your self-image. That's going to boost your self-confidence. And then you can move on to bigger goals. But everyone goes through a point where they drop the ball, right? They cheat themselves on their goals. It's those that reset, clear the clock, get a fresh beginning, and start marching forward that end up ultimately breaking out of that and actually accomplishing great stuff. So reset, my friend. Just reset. Make the goals smaller. Have 3 or 4 daily non-negotiables that are extremely easy to accomplish, and Get back on the horse, brother. Will the NASDAQ dump? I don't know. Let's take a look. Oh, I don't know. I don't know, my friend. NASDAQ, maybe. Maybe. What's the 4 hour look like? 4 hour, yeah. Right now, I'm not looking at a dump yet. Daily candle still has more room to go. 4 hours still has more room to go. 1 hour did close without a wick at the top. 30-minute as well, but there's no sells for me yet here. 9:30 coming up, so we're going to move one way or the other. Yeah, because as long as we remain above here, then price still pretty bullish. Still pretty bullish. What up, Diogo? Diogo. My man. Ecom Dre, why you staring at me like that, bro? What's up? What's up? You want to fight? Hey, did I tell you guys I used to go up to these big dudes in the gym? So you see on my non-negotiables how I have compliment 3 people. I used to do that type of stuff at the gym. Go up to the biggest dude there, be like, "What are you looking at, bro? You want to fight?" And then you got to do this with a smile on your face, though. Please don't. Some of you guys don't smile, so you have to do that with a smile, right? And then just have some fun. And typically those bigger dudes are always the nicest guys in the gym anyway, and a pleasure to talk with and laugh with. Some of you guys are gonna go try that. Only you're not gonna smile. Dude's just gonna lay you out. All right, let's see if we can get a lower wick here and potential. See, the issue here is the 30, right? The 30 closing bearish. The 1 hour also, you know, still open. The 15 is really the only one we got here that actually closed bullish. 4 hours still bearish. 1 hour is bearish. 30 is bearish. 15 got ourselves a support, but we're gonna need a bottom wick here and then a re-break of that high for me to get in. And let's see what NAS did here on the open. Just goner, right? Let's think. Let's see. Yeah, see, no sells yet on NAS. Don't forget to smile. Just go up to him like, what you want to fight? Then I usually hit him with a joke, you know, like, "Geez, man, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? What are you after right now?" Anyone as big as Ecom Dre, at some point they're after something, right? They're either competing or they're trying to do something, right? So they love telling those stories. So I'm very into what would I call this? The art of people skills, right? And talking with people and just talking to people. So yeah, they usually always love to tell you all about it. There goes NAS, target being hit now. So now maybe you look for sells up here. Yeah, gold still hasn't done anything here. Can I explain my London trade? Yeah, the London trade was pretty simple. It was daily was bullish, 4 hour was bearish, but you see this candle here? That was our 4 hour when we were looking at this London trade. The 1 hour here had come down. You see it grabbed the pack, right? So 1 hour came down, created a low, grabbed the pack. I had a buy stop sitting right here. Same time, 30-minute was creating this celery play to move up, and that was the move right there. Yeah, so gold's a little tricky here, right? Because you're bullish on the 15, you're bearish on the 30, but also at the same time you're bearish on the 30. You're also in this overall support zone here. right? So a lot of support sitting right here. I'm a little bit more bullish than I am bearish, but we would need like a steeper low here for me to even attempt that, right? Otherwise, this 30-minute could just drive down. I took sells? No, I took buys. I actually, my bad. I think I said, no, yeah, I took buys. It's a beautiful buy. Yeah, it could be. It could be. Look what happened last time we were here, though. Right? It looked like a beautiful buy and then drove right down. So let's see how the 30 does. If we can kind of move down a little bit, then there's an opportunity to break these highs here. Move up. All right, cool. I'm going to have a buy stop here. So I'm going to have a buy stop. Going to go one contract here on this buy stop on the break of the highs. If we are going to use current candle stops as well. So my stops currently would be about 20 pips. So about 20 pips. So if we break the highs here, we re-break the 30 highs, you may see price begin to continue its way up. If not, we shouldn't break the highs. We should just drive down. And if that happens, we'll delete it. What's the plan for the rest of the day? Oh, man, we got plans. Going to go get a workout in. Going to shoot a day in the life today. So going to be shooting a daily vlog today. We're also going to have the meetup later on today at like 4:30 p.m. So we're going to be meeting up with the TTE squad, which should be really, really fun. And yeah, we'll be hanging out, and that's the plan for today. That's the plan for the rest of the day. TTE meetup. TP, so pretty much I'm going to be closing partials right around 20, 25 pips, and then just let the rest of it run. Yeah. If the 4-hour re-breaks the highs, man, we should move up and close above here and potentially have some runners there today. So if we keep re-breaking the low and driving, I'll probably delete. NASDAQ pumping. What would this playbook position be? This would be an onion. So this would just be a buy off of support. That's all. Oh, yeah, you're right, J Coop. Yeah, you're right. I think I'll probably just go break even. I'm already up like almost $700 here today on this account. So, yeah. What's the best way for me to take classes to improve my trading? My track record is not so great. I would recommend the clubhouse, or any sort of live community. If you can, it doesn't even have to be our community, right? If you could find a good community that you jive with, I think that's going to be the best. Having a course, having a, I don't know. The courses, they're good, but there's no meat and potatoes there, right? There's no true like live value to where you can say, hey, I seen that guy do that. I see that makes a lot of sense. I can ask him questions, right? That's something you want to find like a live community for. I think we're in the day and age of finding a community versus a course. What are your thoughts on market fluidity? I love market fluidity. I'm a market fluidity lifetime member. Yeah, I've been I've been a student of Raja's since 2019. Yep, I watch everything. I watch it all. I think that whole like his live trading plus his course, you know, just really helped me out. I'm in a sell. All right, nice. Should be good, you know. If we continue, I mean, we should fill that wick. I'm only in the buy if we break the high, right? I'm only bullish if we start breaking the highs here. Oh, thank you, Rose. Thank you, Rose. Appreciate that. Yeah, we have a great community here. I'm very confident if you just show up to the free YouTube live stream and you do that for a couple months, I'm very confident that your trading will take a turn and that you'll begin to see trading in a different light. Yeah. So just try and find a good, solid, you know, community to be a part of. Oh, we're heading back up here. All right, sweet. So I'm in here on gold. We'll see how we do. I'm only in for one contract here, going very light. Random outcome, that's right. Random outcome. Alright, I'm gonna go BE here. What happened there? Because we are at this resistance level, so I'm gonna make this a risk-free trade, and then we'll see if we can pump up here. Yeah, 13 pips. Can we push through? Can we push through? Let's see. All right, can we push? Can we push? I'm okay with hitting break even here on this trade. I'm already in profits on the day, so no risk on the table now. If we can blast off, that'd be great. It is 9:30, so we should have some volume here. What do we got here? 14 pips. 14 pips. So if you guys want, you can close partials right there. We are tapping into that resistance. That's all up to you. I think we can keep moving. We got a lot of volume, but we got to break that high. That high right there. Let's see. Yeah, I would close partials there, but I only got one contract open, so. Chart time expired right there. What do you mean? You close full at the top. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, if I had a couple more contracts open, I'd close partials there. But I'm just gonna hold this. Can we push here, Goldie? Can we push? You can do it. Oh, almost. Close full at 19. Nice job. Nice. What'd I get? 17? All right, that's BE for me. Yeah, good work. Good work. I made $10. I made $10. Nice. Yeah, a lot of resistance right here. That's coffee money. I don't drink coffee, man. TK had like 9. TK might have 20 coffees since I've been with him the last 3 days. No lie. Me, I don't drink coffee. I never had a coffee in my life. I'm lying. I've tried coffee. I've tried it a few times, but never enjoyed it. I've never drank a full cup of coffee though. Not once. Hit B? Yeah, me too. I hit BE too. Good trade. Right to where we wanted to. So if I had like 4 or 5 contracts there, I would have closed like 3 of them right there at whatever that was. I think it was like 17 pips. Maybe? Yeah. Oh man. Can't live without it? Yeah, I know. Coffee's how I get my water. No, you're not kidding. TK, you're not kidding. You're legit not kidding about that. So, coffee is how this man gets his water. Holy. All right, Lazy Panda. You have a great day, all right? Coffee will change my life? I bet. Current stops? Yeah, current stops because I didn't. So let's say this, if this candle re-breaks the low, it's going to go down, right? So there's no point in having stops anywhere else outside of that current 15 low, because if the 30 went and broke the high, right, and then re-broke its own low, very high chance it will push down at that point. So very, very good break-even point, by the way, at that resistance level. And yeah, this was break-even, aka partials. Partials or break-even did get hit, and then, you know, push back. What was the reason for using? Oh, I got that one. See you guys next week. Later, Muhammad. Have a great week. Yeah, pip and dip, gang. Pip and dip. It's Friday. There's no reason to stay around, look at the charts, and, you know. I think I seen somebody ask, how come you did the buy instead of the sell there? Like, what made me do that, right? So, a couple things. Intuition, experience. Also, the daily's still bullish. The 4-hour had already broke the highs, and I can visualize this 4-hour candle closing bullish here today, whether it's going to close bullish right where it stands or it closed bullish above the range here, right? So that was my vision, is that this 4-hour can potentially close above the range, and then that would be the buy for me, right? I'd be fully out there. So I was visualizing, anticipating that, which by the way can still happen here. 1 hour obviously was bearish, so I didn't really want to look at the 1 hour here. 30-minute was obviously bearish too, but I know that these lows, right, being broke, everyone's looking at that 30-minute wick fill, right? So if everyone's looking at that 30-minute wick fill, then that means that sellers were all activated down here, right? And as they were activated, they go into a little bit of profit, but their stop losses are sitting up here, right? So if we re-break the 15 high, which was right here, now that the sellers are in, we're most likely going to stop everyone out and then either keep driving up or you know, stop everyone out and then begin to drive down. So just a little bit of experience, chart time, times where I took sells here and got stopped out, just learning. Yeah, 15-minute made sense. We planted support. The trade was mainly to retest the high. It wasn't really to get going because obviously you could see there's a lot of resistance, but it would have been nice. You know, I'm already in profits for the day, so if that was my first trade of the day, I'd probably, you know, close partials there, but I was willing to let that one run and see what we can get. TK's wife calls on FaceTime yesterday. Just she's in like a North Face like snorkel. TK's over here sweating on the golf course. Yeah. W candle read. Yeah, look, gang, so another thing too is I've been staring at candles, right, for the last 5 years straight. So just please keep that in mind when you think, man, how did he do that? Am I ever going to be able to see the markets like that? Like, please keep in mind, man, I have legitimately been watching these candles. I've probably watched every 30-minute candle for the most part in the New York session for the last 4.5 years. So please keep that in mind, right? Don't compare yourself in a way to me or anybody else at that matter, right? I did that for a long time, tried comparing myself to Raja. How come I can't see it the way he does? But chart time and commitment to a certain strategy will fix all that. TK is a G, that's right. I'm currently addicted to caffeine. Help me out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. People often underestimate the time required to learn something new. Yep, so true, so true. Including myself, by the way. You know, I'm human too, gang. Look, I gotta make decisions on a day-to-day basis too, you know. TK's here, C Melly's in the house, we're all in the car, TK's gonna get Starbucks, and that's fine, right? But me, you guys know how I feel about Starbucks sometimes, and I had an option. That strawberry acai was just calling my name. Nick, just do it, it's okay. Your friends are here, they're visiting. TK's gonna go in, he'll even buy it for you probably. Oh my God, how great would that taste? But then I'm like, no, I can't do that. You know, so you just got to continue making the right decisions day by day, right? And by the way, TK got the healthiest thing at Starbucks. It's not like he got something bad. Or maybe he did. See, Melly said it kind of tasted like a dessert, so I don't know. Yo, man. Who's ever had that strawberry acai with like lemonade in it from Starbucks? I haven't had it in like a year, but it was calling my name the other day. But I had to decline. It was tempting. Please advise how to pass a 100K combine. You have to stick to a playbook that works. You cannot deviate, my friend. Right? Deviation will kind of steer you off course, and it's not gonna work. So until you get consistent and disciplined and follow one methodology, it's very tough to pass combines and be profitable in trading. I'll just keep it real with you guys. If you guys are gonna break your rules every day or every week, you're most likely never gonna find profitability. So you gotta understand, man, the buck stops here. You know, it's a hard little conversation to have, but you really gotta make those tweaks and adjustments and stop being immature and irresponsible with your trading. Yes, discipline, yep. It's earned daily. The rent is due daily. How do you feel about society pressure to eat not healthy in public places? I think only the strong will survive and the weak will die off along the way. So don't be weak. The best coffee? Yeah. Trust me, I've had multiple people make me the best cup of coffee to them, and I still never liked it. How do you recommend to stop being immature in your trading? It all comes back to your why. Why the heck are you doing this? Why are you doing this? What's got you so crazy enough to say, I'm going to actually chase my dreams and goals in life and not settle for mediocrity? Why? Why are you doing it? Until you understand the why, you won't put together the how. Once you understand the why, the how does not matter. It'll get done. So do you know what you want? Right? And how committed are you to getting it? And that should remove some gambling. And some people really think trading is about coming here, pressing some buttons, and making money. It's so much deeper than that. So much deeper. So you got to get fixed on what you want. And if it's important enough to you, you'll make the adjustments. If it's not, you'll keep doing what you do. Yeah. But I believe in you. I believe if you're on this stream, you can and will make the adjustments necessary. It's very hard when you have a good community of individuals and not, that are winning. It's very hard not to win, right? Just use the community, lean on the community. I wrote down something. I said, I will not place any trades today unless I take my trades with Don. Boom, and I signed it. Sometimes it takes that. Sometimes it just takes a little commitment on your end and a little attention to detail, because a lot of us live on autopilot. So if you can kind of get some attention to detail and say, hey, I'm gonna make a change here. I'm gonna really draw the line, right? Draw the line in the sand and draw it firm, right? And jump over, right? This is your old ways, right? These are your new ways. Draw that line firm in the sand and step over, my friend, and begin to implement new ways. It's okay if you don't understand these success principles, right? I didn't understand them either when I was younger, right? But I began to learn them, and I began to draw the line in the sand and operate over here and basically just kind of kill off the old me, right? And spiritually, I was born again. I was a new creation, and that helped a lot. So yeah, look into that as well, and really just make those decisions, that your future self will thank you for. Made 15% on buys. Oh my God, let's take a look at NAS. Did we juice? Sheesh. Yeah, those cells, man. Those cells. Those cells right there. What videos can I watch on candlestick trading? I would watch anything from Raja. If there's anyone I would recommend watching, not because I don't think other people are good, right? It's just the fact that this is the guy I trade closest to, right? So if you want to stick with this style that I trade, but you want to learn more about, let's say, candlesticks and things of that nature, Raja's the guy, man. He's got a lot of good stuff here, right? A lot of good content. Roger. Sheesh. Yeah, that's right, Chala. Is that an onion play? This is like a celery play here on NAS. Yeah, it's like a celery play. First Green week. Let's go. Is it your first week in the clubhouse too? Oh man. Oh man, I'm glad you didn't come in last week. Hey, some of you guys just joined the live streams like 2 weeks ago. Sorry. Don't judge us on the performance 2 weeks ago. We ran into a couple L's there. We're back on track. The playbook never fails, right? The playbook will always get you out of the sticky situations. You just gotta continue to pursue it. J Max said something very cool in a London session. He said, you know, it was that quick that I went from having a really bad week a week ago to one of the best weeks of his career this week. And just by following the simple playbook and letting the probabilities play out. That's all you have to do. Just get out of the way and let the probabilities play out. Right? The issue is, like, if you have an 80% win rate, right? Let's say out of 100 trades, you're going to win, let's just call it 70, okay? Let's just say 70 of them. Right? Now, these 70, so that means we're going to lose what? How many? 30, right? So this number will be distributed completely randomly, right? So you have the wins here, you have the losses here. So let's say you get some wins, you get all fired up. You go, man, this TT guy's awesome. He's the Jordan Peterson of trading. He's just like Raja, only so much nicer. You know, and you get all fired up to be here, right? And then all of a sudden we take 2 or 3 losses, right? And then you get in the way. Here you come again. You get in the way of the probability. And you start thinking, uh-oh, right? You start thinking, well, you know, maybe the strategy doesn't work that good. And, you know, maybe there was this other one over here that I was looking at, you know, over there. So you just get in the way, right? Meanwhile, if you just keep executing, these numbers will play themselves out. The problem is we get in the way and then we take more losses than we should. And it just becomes an unnecessary mess. Whoa, like these, holy, oh my God, it's too bright in here, Lele. Like my little stick figure? You want me to make this Lele? Well, Lele is the one, Lele follows the system, so Lele's up here. This will be Lele. She don't deviate, right? Lele don't try and reinvent the wheel. That's why she's smiling and she's successful, right? Yeah. Yep. She follows the proven path. And Maverick does it too, right, Maverick? Maverick's over here too. Just winning. Just winning. Happy campers. Right, guys? What are you guys doing? Good sleep? Come over here. Come on this side. Yeah, so try not to get in the way, right? Try not to get in the way of the system too much. I used to do that, and then I would revenge trade, over risk, do stupid things, blow my account. It wasn't until I actually started following the plan, right? Just getting out of the way. No. Don't do that. Lele, is that actually you up there? Is that actually you? It's actually you? And it's actually Maverick right there. That's right. Wow. All right, why don't you guys figure out the morning? This is their morning routine. Come in here and check out the charts, right? Whoa. All right, does that make sense? Does that make sense? You want to just let the probability do what it has to do. Don't get in the way. Yeah, you have to make sure that that strategy has good results. So I would recommend taking 100 trades. with your strategy. And then from that 100 trades, you will be left with data, right? And in that data is where you can examine whether or not you want to continue this strategy or not, right? Because it's not just, hey, follow a strategy. Because what happens if you follow a strategy where over 100 trades, you lose 70, right? Or 80 and only win 30. Now, as long as the RR is there, you could still be profitable, right? But if it's not profitable, then there's where you have to make your adjustments. But you won't know that until you have consistent data showing up. So, yeah. That 1 minute time frame. Let's look at the 5 minute here. Whoa. Told her. She said that's actually Maverick. So I wouldn't say there is an exact strategy. You know, there's many strategies that work, like almost all of them, to be honest. And now it's just about you deciding which one will work best for you, right? So you can, all these strategies could be winning strategies, but this one may not make sense to you. This one may not make sense to you. This one might be a swing, you know, like, so it really just, what do you jive with, right? What can you learn and stick to? That's really what you want to find. It's something that you can actually stick to on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, that's it. Oh, back up we go, back here. Are we going to break through now on Goldie? 1 hour candle just closed, I think, right? Yeah. Wow. Like clicking some buttons, and how do you maintain the level headness? Yeah, you know, it's just what we do now, right? I think it was awesome. You know, it's very, very cool to be able to make your money doing something like this. Yeah. Yeah, there's really, when it comes to maintaining the composure, I mean, I don't know. It's just what we do now, right? So it's just like normal life. Like me and Green's over here staying with me at my place, and we were just hanging out yesterday on the couch at like 2 p.m. just talking, right? And it's like thinking like, there's so many people at work right now. I forget about that, you know? So I just kind of, it just became the normal life for me. This is how I make money. This is what I do. So yeah, it's pretty cool though. It's certainly better than working a job. And I get to chase my wife around the house all day, and she's a lot hotter than my old boss that I used to work for. So, all right, Segan Slays, check gold. Yeah, I'm looking at gold. How many combine accounts did you blow before passing? I actually took one combine and passed it. Yeah, but challenge accounts and all that from 2019, I've probably failed and blown like 35 challenge accounts. Yeah, but just so happened to be in my first combine I hit. Maverick press buy. Hey, hold on one sec. I'll be right back. Oh, Johnny's in the Zoom? Where is he? Where is he? All right. Oh my God, he's see-through today. Johnny Gems. How we doing, John? Look at him, he's see-through. What in the world? Oh my gosh.
How you doing?
Oh man, the brother ain't got no
Yo.
voice.
What's good?
What's good?
Yo,
Everything,
chill.
brother. Everything besides your voice right now. You need some honey, G.
Hey, yo, yeah, bro. I gotta come over and grab some honey. No, bro. What's good? How we feeling?
The streaming life ain't easy, right? It ain't for everyone.
Nah, voice stops hit, bro. Voice stops.
Voice stops hit. Voice stops have been hit, G.
Yeah, good morning, man.
How you doing?
How you doing?
How do I get this guy up here? Why is it?
What's up, chat? What's goody? Happy Friday.
I don't know. For right now, we'll do
It's
that.
Meetup Day. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, Meetup Day. I keep forgetting. Hold on. I'll be right back, right? 1 sec.
Bet.
My guy. BCY representing Bethany Church out here. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Hey, the message today, the word of the day is give your heart to Christ. He wants a relationship with you. Give your heart to Christ. Let him work through you and let him fix your life. Yeah, amen. What's up, chat? How we feeling? What's up, Andrew? Coach Carter? Z Gamer? What's up, J Mac? What's up, Jay? What's up, Willie B? Mr. Hart? Alex? What's good, bro? Hey, Alex, chilling in the Airbnb right now in Tampa? Let's go. Man's in that Airbnb. I'll see you soon, Alex. Looking forward to it. Yo, Willie B, thank you, bro. Yeah, I thought I'd come over to my penthouse. Yeah, I had some family staying, so had to get a quick getaway to my my penthouse. It's good, TK. Good, Joro FX. Yeah, chat. You know the day. Another day, another opportunity, another day to focus on being patient, discipline to the system. Let's focus on building good habits because good trading is about habits and not about P&L, right? So let's focus on that today. What's good, Jay Coop? What's good, Cannon? Greg Ski, what's up, my man? What's up, Energy? Those of you coming to the meetup, I'll wait to see you. Very excited. Good, Spider FX, man. Yeah, we got Spidey in the chat. Damn.
There goes gold. Wow.
Good,
That's what I'm
Vasal.
looking for. Nice. Let me fix you up here. 1 sec.
Nick, how's the morning, bro? Talk to me.
Incredible, dude. Incredible. Yeah. We took a gold buy. We hit this area here, dropped back down, but now we're pushing through.
Oh, yeah. I took that same buy out the 15 support, right?
Yeah, yep. You took it?
Yeah, I took it. Yeah, that was a beautiful trade.
I'm trying to see why it's not letting me.
Were you able to take some profits on that?
Nah, I just went break even. I was gonna hold full. I want to see if we can come up here, but we got.
Right.
I hit break even.
All right, nice.
All right, why can't I?
What happened?
No, for some reason I'm trying to get your image up here.
Okay.
Holy.
Hey, damn gold.
Yeah, I entered in on this candle right here. We moved up, tapped into that zone, went break even, got hit at BE, and now look at this. Just look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, would you look at
Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Just look at it. Yeah, that's that randomness of the market, man. For real.
Facts.
Yeah, we got a beautiful support. We're gonna head up, and then we're gonna come back down, and then we're gonna juice all the way back up. You know, that's like the randomness of it.
Mario.
What's up, Travis?
Travis, the big birthday boy, man. Let's get it.
Yo, happy birthday again, bro. Let's go.
All right, why can't I get Johnny Gems up here? Hold on.
The Matrix doesn't need chat seeing me, I think.
Johnny Gems with the lost voice here, man.
No, I'm trying not to let it get to me. I think my voice sounds perfect right now.
Perfecto.
Yep. Well, I'll see you in a little bit. I'll take some money and we'll be chilling for the meetup. It'll be back to clear.
Facts. You need some of that local
Shake.
honey.
I need that local honey, or else I am cooked, bro. Hey, what's good, Daniel? What's up, my man? Broski, what's up, Shelly?
Dude, what's good with Zoom?
Zoom was quaking earlier when I was hopping on, too. It's weird.
Why is it not letting me add you here? What are you doing to me, Zoom? Holy! Holy! Dang, where was this at on the last candle?
Sheesh.
There
Yo,
goes that
Cannon, I got you,
4 hour
bro.
Exploded. With no bottom wick. Is this
Cannon, I
gold?
got you, bro.
Yes, this is gold.
Oldie. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Connie. Happy birthday, Connie, Cannon's girlfriend. Hope you have a good day. Good birthday. Live it up. Enjoy it. Have a great day.
Oh, Connie, Cannon's. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. What are you guys doing today on this lovely Friday? Who's coming to the meetup? Hey, I'm excited. Hey, let's see the weather. I think the weather should be pretty good most of the day here.
Look at the weather.
73
And it's perfect.
degrees currently. So I would recommend bringing like a light sweater for when the sun goes down. Maybe like even some pants. But up until then, should be pretty good. Should be pretty solid. Tomorrow we're gonna go to an outdoor shooting range. I'll give you guys, anyone who wants to come, we'll give you guys some info on that too. But yeah, this should be a good day here. Mid 80s all day.
Sir. Yo, we're gonna try to do that like pretty early, right? Tomorrow?
No, we're gonna be
As
doing
well
it
as the other
pretty-
thing.
We're gonna be shooting some content in the morning, pretty early in the morning, and then then we're gonna go to the range.
Yeah, TK from last time, bro. Bring a sweater this time.
A volume mixer. Taking her to some seafood and watching a movie. Oh, nice. Thanks to the clubhouse. Oh, wow. I balled out on her presence. W, Cannon.
Hey, nice, Cannon.
All right,
Sounds like a fun night, bro.
I'll
Enjoy.
lower John. There we go. Boom. Johnny Gems. What the heck, man? Get this guy over here.
I don't know.
Oh,
It's all
I know
good.
what it is. I know what it is.
What is it?
I've got this. Boom. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Just got to use the brain a little bit. And the brain will make it work. W.
There you go.
All right. So, yeah, so I'm kind of looking at, we closed above here. You might get a fake out or something right over here. So, but there could be potential sells, but you want to see us move up a little bit, activate buyers. There's still clean range, right, to come up here. So you don't want to jump the gun too quickly on the sell, but all in all, the fade could start to play out. I'd much rather look for it up here, right, than right here, but we'll see.
Damn, bro, that's a 4-hour juice box. Didn't even make a
box.
bottom wick on that 4-hour.
The only reason I'm even considering the fade is because there's no wick on the bottom here. So you get your burst up and then it won't sustain itself, it'll start coming back down. But if this candle can break the highs and flip up, then I think it looks much better there. Actually, the best fade I think is probably going to look something like this. No wick at the top. And then, that kind of stuff that we'd be looking for, and then the fade. But if it happens here, it happens here. It's fine. You can't hear anything? How about now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
My check.
Oh, I lowered John. Is he too low now? But I'm low.
Yeah, it's fine. Keep me like that. I don't want to be too loud or too obnoxious.
My guy got that streamer voice going. You gotta break in. Once you stream a couple streams, your voice will get used to it, and then boom.
Yeah, that was the back-to-back Asian session. I think that got me. Got my voice. And then a couple New York sessions as well.
Later, Magnus. Have a great day, bro.
Magnus, have a good day, bro.
Hey, traders trade.
I mean, it's not a big deal, honestly.
John's been grinding in the playhouse. What'd you call 2 or 3 winning trades in the last 2 or 3 days in the clubhouse?
Sir, yeah. I think 3.
Sheesh, good work, bro.
Yeah, thanks, bro. You too. Good work. You as well, crushing it, bro. You called like you called like 3 or 4 winner trades as well.
We do a little winning.
Yo, we just put the pressure on the playbook, right? That's it.
Put the pressure on the playbook. All right, so let's see if we can break the highs here and move up.
People got us. Yep. Yo, what's up, YOLO Trader? How you doing, bro?
So you guys took the sell yesterday, right? Right around here. We were waiting for that, but I had to do some stuff. But John in the clubhouse caught it, which was a good trade here, man. Tap target there, and then what was the other one? In Asian.
Asian. That was the day before. Yeah, that was the day before.
Oh,
so,
okay, yeah.
What do we take? A buy or a sell?
When you trade all 3 sessions, who knows?
Yo, I don't even know, bro, honestly. Oh yeah, it was no, it was a buy.
It was a buy.
Yeah, it was a
right?
buy.
I remember.
Yep. I knew it was a buy. I think it was. I'm looking for it right now.
Yeah, I remember you sent it to me. It looked good.
Yeah, I think it was that one right there to the left. That buy off support.
This one.
I think. Yeah. Or actually, or that one, or the one to the right to it. One of those. It's the same exact pattern, you know. So it's like, wait, which one is it?
Yeah. Mic check. Oh yeah, my pleasure. Thanks for sharing your experience of blowing accounts. Yes, I've blown many accounts in my early days, upwards towards 30 to 40. So trust me, you have hope, my friend.
Oh yeah.
The guy you're looking at on the screen right now blew close to 40 accounts. The same guy who's taken all these trades. Look at all these winning trades. The same guy who's had all this nice little record right here this year. Looks good this year, right? But this same guy blew account after account after account after account coming up in the game, right? Because I wasn't making those adjustments. And once I began to make adjustments, that's when things began to change for me. So if I could do it, you can do it. This is all the same person. The only difference, what was the only difference? The big word for me was responsibility.
Yes,
Responsibility. That was the big change for me. Is I began to act in a responsible, professional manner when it came to trading. My wife had just given birth. I knew I had a mission to accomplish. I knew that I'd be providing for others, and that was going to take responsibility. So that's when I cleaned up my act and made sure that I was going to make the moves and tweaks that I needed to. Otherwise, it wasn't going to be pretty. So all I've done is switched over from me trading and trying to trade the markets to me just trading a playbook and letting that playbook kind of produce the outcome.
Yeah, but if you're someone who's like struggling with blowing accounts, right now is just the time for you to learn, right, your mistakes, right? Learn the lessons within those blown accounts and use that, right? Use those lessons to get better. If it wasn't for our blown accounts, you know, we wouldn't have been exposed to the flaws we were making in trading. So,
Yep.
yeah, man, just turn those losses into lessons, and you'll be great, right? Just learn from your mistakes and repent from them, and just change and do better.
And again, there's no let's go back to my stick figure, man. There's no there's no little fairy dust, right? That's just gonna fall down and then just hit you, and then boom, your eyes light up. Bam! There's money everywhere. I'm making money, right? This doesn't happen, right? A lot of people think once I become profitable, everything will be all good, right? It doesn't work like that, right? There's no fairy dust that comes down and drops on you to make you Superman with a cape and a big professional trader. Like, look, I mean, I just had a losing streak 2 weeks ago, right? I just ran into a little losing streak. Look, 1, 2, 3, right? There was just, we just took some losses. Even this year, back in February, I took a bunch of losses here, right in a row. This is long after the fairy dust has fallen on my head, right? But how do I run into losing streaks and red months still? Because that's the game. This is what they don't show you on Instagram, right? This is what they don't show you on social media. So that's why I said if you could find like a live community to trade with, where the trader actually shares like his trades and he'll call them and he'll explain them, or she, right? That's the best way to learn, because now you're able to actually learn with live market conditions, with somebody able to walk you, you know, basically take your hand and walk you through the day, and take you with them. You know, I would, if I were you, I'd look at it. I used to do this. I used to go onto Raja's stream and I used to pretend that I worked for a hedge fund, and that the owner assigned Raja to be my senior trader, and who I would learn from, who I would trade under, who I would, you know, build my foundation from. So if you have someone, and if you're here, you obviously have us to tap, some sort of community to tap into, you know, that will be a very, very big help for you, you know, because then you can see, hey, look, Nick's not even looking for a trade right now. Like, you took a buy and a sell all within this 15-minute candle, and I'm just here just yapping, right? And you think, well, why am I so eager to get into trades all day long and he's not? And you know, that becomes the difference. And then you begin to take on those characteristics of the trader, right? The successful trader that you're watching. So, you know, day by day, my friends, day by day.
Yes, sir. Yup, and if you're expecting change within your life, the change has to come from within, right? You want your life to change, so you need to change. You know, I feel like God will sell you anything for the price of labor, right? And I also am a big believer in that the magic you're looking for in life is always in the work you're avoiding to do, right? In order for you to grow that Chinese bamboo tree, you need to work the seed, right? So you need to show up every day and do the work. And the work here is, you know, focusing on the process of trading and, you know, executing on your edge trade by trade. So it wasn't until I was disciplined to my rules, that's when I started to see consistently profitable traders, right? My habits started to back up and started to match with the consistently profitable trader, right? I started to be disciplined and patient in my plan and my rules, and then that's when I started to see change, right? So you really just got to focus on the work and just focus on the inputs and the formula to successful trading. And if you could follow that, right, you could get the same result as other professional traders out there. So I think it all comes back to you being disciplined to your rules and your plan. Right, Nick? Nick, you were disciplined and patient to your plan, and then boom, trading changed for you, right?
It did.
So I think it all comes back down to that as well. Like, yo, you got to follow the plan. All right? If you don't follow the plan, you're not going to get those consistent results that, you know, professional traders get. So in order to get results of a professional trader, we need to do what the professional traders do, right? And the professional traders are disciplined to their rules and they follow their plan, trade by trade.
Sounds very cliche, right? Sounds very repetitive, but that's what wins ball games here.
Oh.
You want to win ball games, or you want to take one picture for Instagram about how you made 50 pips? What do you want to do? Or you want to Whoa! Did I just see TK? TK
Yo,
flexing in
TK's
Tampa,
lurking, bro.
Florida, my boy.
TK's lurking.
All right, all right. I seen you there. But yeah, you know, it's so true. It's very mundane. It's very repetitive. The trading business is a boring business, but it's a profitable one when you do it right. Yeah,
Yes,
let's
sir.
go look at hey, look how we were holding it down here. We were watching Johnny Gems last night. Oh, by the way, it was time to eat on another level.
That looked
George,
fire, bro.
look
Absolutely
at them
incredible.
ribs, dude. Look at those ribs. But hey, look, we were all out here watching Johnny Gems performing at the club last night, doing our thing. You know, we're still students of the game as well. Just because we're at the big fancy steakhouses and doing all that, don't mean we ain't still locked in. So,
Love it, boys.
yeah.
Love it. I love the attention.
Yo, Stephen B. Rafi. Hey, Rafi. If Rafi's still here, I am so proud of you, bro. Praise God. You can share your story when you are ready, my friend. Yeah. Hey, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you guys can follow me on IG here. My stories are typically always up and going.
Nice, Daniel. 40. Let's get it, bro.
Yeah, if you guys want to come back and watch some of our like older trades too, there was a point where I was just posting like a recap of like every trade. So you guys come here and take a look at some of these trades as well. You'll just see us taking the same trades as we take today. Rinse and repeat.
That's it. The strategy doesn't change. The strategy, we just make minor adjustments. Besides that, there is no change within it. The only thing that changes is our account and our profits. That's it. Yeah, Daniel, I'm at 0 right now. Let's keep it real. So I got some work to do in terms of push-ups.
Stephen B, where you at?
He said he's flying over Tampa right now.
Let's go put that BE trade in here too.
Yo, Stephen B, I'm gonna wave to you, bro, in the sky.
If you guys do plan on coming to the meetup today, just be sure you guys are more than welcome. There's no like last minute. Just make sure to sign up to the RSVP just so you can get the location and all that stuff. What are we doing? We took a buy here. We took this was onion. This was a breakout.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is onion. 15 minutes.
Yeah, no strategy FX. I've been clubbing too much in the clubhouse. Yeah, I've been partying too much in the clubhouse.
Oh.
Nice, Daniel. Good work, bro.
Yeah, perfect.
Yo, Daniel, and that's how it goes.
Which
Like
one?
100 a day, and then with compounded effect, we turn into 200 eventually, right? So I love it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My guy got the Wi-Fi in the air.
He's probably on JetBlue. It's free Wi-Fi. That JetBlue fi. It's that air fi.
Air-fi. Yeah, so going back to that, you know, a lot of us are waiting for conditions to change. We're waiting for outside forces to change. We're waiting for the world to change. But at the end of the day, it's going to be up to us. It's going to be on you. No one's going to come save you but you. So you got to really kind of switch those habits and routines sooner than later, right? If you want to change your results. If you got results that you want in life and you're enjoying it and you're winning and you're thriving, then there's nothing to change, right? But if you're feeling like there's more to life than what you're currently experiencing, it's going to take some new knowledge. It's going to take some new activities and maybe even a whole new line of work. So you really got to focus on what you want out of life. Don't really focus on what you want from trading. Focus on what life you want to live. Trading is just a vehicle to get you from A to B, right? It's not the end all be all. So focus more so on the life that you want to live, and then see how trading can play its part in getting you there.
But if you want to change, it starts today. Like, best time to start is today, because time's gonna keep moving, right? It's gonna fly and just pass right by you. So the best time to start is today, right? I could only imagine how much it would have sucked, right, if I would have waited till after high school to start learning how to trade, right? Imagine, Nick, if I waited till after I graduated high school
Yeah,
to
he could have
start
said,
learning
oh,
how to
I'm too
trade.
young to start now, or I'm
And
still in high school. I don't think I should start now, you know? There's could have been so many excuses.
I was one decision away, bro, and I would have missed out on all this experience and, you know, the failures and the success. I would have missed out on all of it, right? But thank God I did. Thank God I just started, right? So just start today, because time's gonna fly by and move, right? You're gonna get 4 years ahead eventually, right? But where do you want to be? What is those? What do you want to? What do you want your life to look like within those 4 years, right? And what do we have to do to get it? And usually that's gonna start today. Work starts today. Day one.
Just start now.
Yep.
Sell's not valid. No sells for me yet here. I need so in order for me to take sells, being that we're so bullish, this is what I need. I need this candle to close bullish like that, and then I need the next candle to close below. So I have to wait for a breakout if I'm going to take sells. I don't want to take it off the onion, and I don't want to take it off the fade here. We're just too bullish. But if we get that breakout, then I like it.
You would ideally you would you want to see a fresh support, like like a bearish candle, and then
no, like this bullish closure. You got a new support, right? And then just a new closure below. So whether that's on the next candle or whether that takes a candle or two, right, and just wants to pop up again like this and form like a little range. And once we now get a closure below, that's when I would look to take the sell.
Yeah. Well, I meant for like your buys.
Oh, buys?
Like a closure.
Yeah.
Like if
buys.
we were to take buys, you would like to see a fresh support, right, above 27.50.
27.50. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, just some sort of even if this candle here closes above, like see this bullish candle. So forget about these two red candles. Let's say we get a bullish closure above. Let's make it close above. See, closure above. Then yeah, I like the buys. But I think I'm gonna call it a day. I think I'm done for the week, to be honest. That's the idea that I would like to act on. But I think I'm gonna call it a day here. It was a great week. And yeah, we'll just hang out in the clubhouse for a bit, and then we'll get the festivities rolling, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll chill out in the clubhouse.
Hey,
it'll be a nice
Pineapple
vibe.
Pete. I'm taking notes. Yeah, check out Bitcoin. I'm not checking Bitcoin. I'm just laughing to the bank, baby. I don't even want to look at it. Just let it roll. Just let it do whatever it has to do. How long am I staying on today? About 8 hours of DoorDash shift. I'm listening. Oh, nice, brother. Nice. Yeah, I'll probably hang out in the clubhouse for a little bit. And then got to get ready to host everyone. So if you guys are coming to the TT meetup today, we will see you guys there. Again, it should be a very nice day. I would probably bring like a light sweater for later on in the evening. But hey, we look forward to seeing you guys today. It's the big day we've all been waiting for. So I'm excited to see you guys, and safe travels if you guys are driving up or down from Florida. We'll see you right around 4:30. Check your emails. You guys will have the location in your email of the event. And let's meet up there around 4:30 and have a great time here this evening.
Sounds good, bro.
Cool.
Yeah, Travis sounds good as well.
Johnny Gems will be there. Little Alea, Maverick, and Kingman, and C Melly, and TK, and Green, and a whole bunch of people will be there. So Stephen B is gonna be there. Let's go, W. And yeah, and then hey, we'll come back next week and we'll have some fun and do it all over again. Cool.
Yes, sir, we will.
Chat.
All right, Nick, I'll see you in the clubhouse, bro.
Have a nice weekend. John, I'll see you in a few.
Yes, sir.
Later, brother.
Chat, have a good weekend. God bless you and yours. Now your blessings. I'll see you guys later.
Yes, sir.
Peace.
Later, bro. Yeah, blessings to you and yours. Appreciate you guys. I hope you guys learned a little bit this week and took some notes. And you can improve your trading next week. So we will see you guys on Monday. I hope you guys have a blessed one. And hey, don't be waiting on the world to change. Go out and change the world, all right? Go out and change your world, and then the world will change. Let's hit it with some John Mayer on the way out. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you guys later. Peace, gang. Later.
What you're doing.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Come on. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Whoa, last time I checked, I'm still hot. Real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cosby, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I still that guy that did it on my own. Stay independent. For you to get what I'm getting, it will probably take a village. Just give me a minute, turn a snippet to a hit, and now they all want a percentage, but I'm only paying visits. Big dog, hit 'em with thick thumbs and a quick draw. Pit boss, if they ain't playing, they getting kicked off. Jigsaw, I got 'em puzzled, got 'em a bit lost. It's a feeding frenzy, I put the beat in a pig trough. Got it on lock, got the password. Type of thing you couldn't manufacture. 10,000 hours, got it mastered. Can't you see the patterns? Last time I checked, I'm still hot. Real hot, kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cosby, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I was still hot. Real hot, kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cosby, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I'm still the man in my town, they had to crown me. What I used to make in a day, I make it hourly. Told Grand, send me a beat and make it bouncy. When they hear the tag, they know it's about to be
big scene, catching us on the big screen.
16, bar slicker is pristine.
Livestream, everything that we spit clean.
Big jeans, pockets are looking mint green.
Pen game bulletproof,
Look at all the levels that we took it to.
sticking out like a crooked tooth.
Staring at the mirror like, look at you. Damn, I'm still hot,
Real hot,
kept it dope without a pill pop.
Bill Cosby,
Steady climbing to the hilltop.
tip top.
Did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah,
Last time I checked, I
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, is no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
B.O.D. Get the spell check, a fact check, and prevent errors going up. See the bent lever, jalapeno hot, y'all just red peppers. All y'all copping copies, but I'm left center. And your shorty glitching on me like a text center. Hit her with a French tenor. Crazy, wait until I do the next record. I leave head severed. I don't need to hit the bench ever. But if I do, I'm PRing to the next level. Condo flights to Lufthansa. Already know who you people fans of. Call me Big Daddy in a big body Wrangler. Call me Big Daddy Adam Sandler. Bullseye, aiming for a cottage with a poolside, full size.
Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
I've helped thousands. So here